What we did here was factory OEM bucket. You can see the difference in them as far as how deep ours is compared to a factory one. That's to accommodate the Dapper headlight bulbs. You can use original headlight bulbs in that with the bezels. You could use our bezels with the factory headlight bucket because they line up to the holes. You have to take the tabs off that the factory headlight bezels bolt to, and you have to grind that little edge off of there, but you could use stock buckets with our bezels and our molding if you want to use stock style headlight bulbs. But if you want to use the Dapper bulbs, you got to go to the deeper buckets.